Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If y'all want to know what's going on with Boxycharm on the December issue, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so before I continue with this video, please make sure to like and subscribe down below. Right down there real quick for me please y'all, I would appreciate it. Also hit that notification button so y'all know next time I have a video coming up, y'all get notified right away. Okay, so I got the box right. My new Boxycharm box for December issue. Now this is my little problem, which we'll see what's going on. I'm a new subscriber to Boxycharm. Last month for November, my box was amazing. I got a lot of great stuff and it was big. This time, the box is not so big. Let me compare them both side to side. Big, kind of small. Y'all see that? Y'all see the difference? So I'm like, what came in this box? You know what I mean? So let's just continue and see what is going on with this. Also, please make sure to follow me on Instagram, the Boy Monroe. If y'all notice, I changed the name on my Instagram and I changed the name on my YouTube channel, the Boy Monroe. I am in love with Marilyn Monroe. I'm wearing Marilyn Monroe on this jacket. It's like all over. I'm obsessed with that. Okay, so let's open this up and see what's in this time for December issue. I am gonna cut it up. Got my little knife. Let's see, hold on. Alright. So, here December, smaller box. Let's see what we get. Oh, there you, hold on. Is that as protected as it was last time? Okay, let's see what I got. Oh, before I continue, if y'all remember in my last video when I did an opening for Boxycharm, I said that I had put on my survey thing and I went and changed it because one of y'all informed me that you can change it. I went on the survey and I put that I wanted half skincare, half makeup. So all I got was in my last box was one skincare product and the rest was makeup. Which I was hoping to get way more skincare, at least an equal, because I put equal, I wanted both. But that's not what I got. So I only got one product. So this time around, I switched it up and I said I wanted more skincare, less makeup. So let's hope that's what we get this time, okay? So the first thing I see is this big box, which it is a sponge, a makeup what? By Makeup Eraser. So I got a sponge right here, y'all. And this retails for, I know this little note that comes in here, hold on. Alright, here it is. So this sponge by the Makeup Eraser goes for, let's check it out. So this retails for $18. I've been using beauty blenders for years, so I'm pretty excited to try a new sponge. I've actually seen these kind of sponges that are like cut like that, and I've been wanting to try it, so I'm pretty excited about this. And this is for, again, $18. Which is not bad. Now, okay, I did get a skincare, y'all. I got the Superfood Glowing Priming Moisturizer from Elemis. I hope y'all can see that. Y'all see that? Alright. So this retails for, let's see, $49. Oh wow. I don't know much information about this one. I've never heard of it. Kind of reminds me a little bit of You to the People. So, I put this down. We'll play with this a little bit more afterwards. And then I also got a, okay, so I got a Visart right here. And it is the Professional Makeup Paris. It's a Shameless Eye Primer. I don't believe in eye primers, but this is cool. Let's see how much this retails for. $24. Their products are a bit expensive though. And I got a, oh I got lashes. Glanetic lashes. These one are called Bella. Oh, my friend's name is Bella. Bella, you better be watching this. I'm not really crazy about these lashes, but they're cute. Okay, cool. And the lashes, they go for, so it doesn't give me the price for the lashes, but it gives me the price for the magnetic eyeliner, liquid magnetic eyeliner. What is a liquid magnetic eyeliner? I don't know, from the same company. So let's see, this liquid magnetic liner costs $63. That is expensive. Let me just open this up. I am curious. $63 for this magnetic eyeliner. Why can't I open this? Okay. You're telling me this and also it's like... Hold up. What the hell is this? Liquid magnetic eyeliner. This is $63? You're lying to me. Oh, okay. I don't know. Hold on, y'all. These two sets right here is $63. That's fine with me, I guess. I don't know. It's just lashes. I'm not crazy about these lashes. I'm wondering if it's $63, how much are the lashes alone? So the lashes are $30. Liquid magnetic eyeliner. Why is it so expensive? Online is $37.99. What is it? Alright, y'all, so I just realized this is the magnetic. That's like so expensive. It's the magnetic. So this liquid turns into magnet on my eyes, apparently. And then I apply these, which are in magnet form. I don't know. I should make a video one day for this. But I've seen and heard of this all over social media. I'm like, I've always wondered. I thought it was something like you put on sticky and then it like, or you put underneath. I don't know. I always thought it was very different. But it's magnetic, so I guess that's cool in a way. I still wouldn't. I know how to put on my own lashes, I guess for beginners, but I'm gonna play with it and try it one day. So look out on my Instagram for that. And then Iconic, I got the Iconic London palette. I've never bought anything from this company. This retails for $55. Let's check it out, y'all. Oh. It's a face palette. Okay. I thought it would be an eyeshadow palette. Very plain for me. I'm not crazy for it. I would not pay $55 for this, to be honest with you. I have a better one from NARS. For real. This, I don't care for. Alright. Oh, hold on, let's look at the other stuff. Okay, so this is a face moisturizer. Glow moisturizer. Oh, has kombucha in it. I love kombucha. It's a very clean, okay, glowing primer. I wonder if it's hydrating. Let's try, y'all. Okay, this moisturizer feels smooth a little bit, hydrating, a little bit matte feeling. Has a little sheen to it. You can't tell in the light. I'm not crazy about the texture of it. I'll try it in the future and let y'all know what I think about it, but I'm not crazy about this one at all. Okay, let's see what this eye primer is all about, y'all. Oh, I've seen this before when I used to work at Sephora. I don't care for eyeshadow primer. I should probably do a giveaway. Should I do a giveaway, y'all? Let me know down in the comments below, should I do a giveaway of some of these products, and I still have a lot of other products I've never used. Now the sponge I will keep. Let's look at this real quick, y'all. Look at the sponge real quick. Oh, okay. Let's see what it came in. The sponge, wet it, apply, and wash it. Oh, so you can wash this like with your clothes. I don't know if I want to do that. I actually have something to clean my beauty blender. And I wouldn't want it staining my clothes and then wasting my water and electricity for one thing to wash it in the laundry. Like literally. It shows in the laundry, wash it and dry it. I'm not about to do that. Especially if you're using a full coverage. Let's say you want to throw your clothes in there because you don't want to just waste all that water and electricity. That's gonna stain your clothes. This is a hell no to me. I will clean it with my bare hands. I love the cover for this. I'll just use this as a protection. But I would not put that in my washing machine. They're crazy. Whoever invented this lost your damn mind, okay? Alright, that's basically it, y'all. I'm not too crazy about this box at all. It's the last box was bomb. Watch that video. My last one. Let me know if I should do a giveaway, y'all. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Again, would appreciate it, y'all. And make sure to follow my Instagram, the Boy Monroe. Till next time, y'all. Thanks for coming.